Preschool education training, the profession of the doctor, dancer, and the painter in the Kidberg, the city of the children, St. Pittsburgh. 2018 training of the profession of the architect, film, fireman, floral designer in the Kidberg. 2018 according to the 2002 census, 68% of children, 78% urban, and 47% rural aged 5 were enrolled in the kindergarten. Are according to the UNESCO data, enrollment in the any kind of preschooling program increased from 67% in the 1999 to 84% 2005. Kindergarten, unlike the schools and the regulated by the regional and local authorities, the Ministry of Education and Science regulates only a brief preschool preparation program for the 5 to 6-year-old children. In 2004, the government attempts to charge the full cost of the kindergarten to the parents, and the widespread public opposition caused a severe policy. Currently, local authority can be legally charge the parents not more than 20% of the cost when children of the university students, refugees, Chernobyl and veterinaries and other protected social groups are entailed into the free services. Now in 2019, preschools is started at the age of 2 months old to the 6-year-old. The Soviet system provided for nearly universal primary, nursery age 1 to 3 and kindergarten age 3 to 7 services in urban areas, relieving working mother from daytime child care needs. By the 1980s, there were 88,000 preschool institutions. As the secondary education study load increased and moved from the 10 to 11-year standard, the kindergarten program shifted from the training basic social skills or physical abilities to preparation for entering the school level. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, number of decreased in 46,000 and kindergarten buildings were sold as a real estate investable, rebuilt and converted for office use. At the same time, a minority share of successful state-owned kindergarten regarded as a vertical lift of the quality schooling flourished throughout the 1990s. Privately owned kindergarten, although in the high demand, did not gain a significant share due to the administrative pressure. Share of the children enrolled in private kindergarten dropped from 7% in 1999 to the 1% in 2005. The improvement of the economy after the 1998 crisis, coupled with the historical demographic peak, resulted in the increase in the birth rate. First recorded in 2005, large cities encountered shortage of kindergarten vacancies. Earlier in 2002, Moscow kindergarten waiting lists include 15,000 children. In the much smaller city of the Tomsk, it reaches 12,000. The city of the Moscow instituted specialized kindergarten commission that are tasked with the locating empty slots for the children. Parents sign their children on the waiting list as soon as they are born. The degree of the problem varies between the districts, e.g. Moscow, Philly, Divito districts, population 78,000 house, has lost all of its kindergarten residents have to compete for the kindergarten slots elsewhere, while Zelengorod claim to have short queue. Independent authors asserts that the bribes and the donation for admission to kindergarten compete in amount with the university's admission, while authorities refute the acquisitions. Secondary school, there were 59,260 general education school in 2007-2008 school year, are increased from the 58,503 in the previous year. However, prior to the 2005-2006, the number of the school was steadily decreasing from 65,899 in 2000 and 2001. In 2007-2008, number of includes 4,965 advanced learning schools specialized in foreign languages, mathematics, etc. 2,347 advanced general purpose school and 1,088 for schools for all categories and disabled children. It does not include vocational, technical, social and technicum. Private schools accounted for 0.3% of the elementary school enrollment in 2005 and to 0.5% in 2005. According to the 2005 UNESCO report, 96% of the adult population has completed lower secondary schooling, and the most of them also have an upper secondary education. 11-year secondary education in Russia is compulsory since September 1, 2007. Until 2007, it was limited to the 9 year within grades 10 to 11. Optional federal subjected to officia could enforce higher compulsory standard through the local legislation within the 11 year federal program. Moscow enacted compulsory 11 year education in 2005. Similarly, legislation existed in Altai Krai, Sikaya, Tyumen Oblast. A student of 15 to 18 years of age may drop out of the schools with the approval of his her parents and local authorities without their consent. Upon reaching age of 18, exclusion from the school for multiple violations disrupting school life is possible. Starting at the age of 15, the 11 year school's term is split into the elementary, middle, and senior classes. Absolute majority of the school's children attend fully programmed schools providing 11 year education. Schooling limited to elementary or elementary and the middle classes typically exist in the rural areas of 59,260 schools in Russia. 36,248 provides full 11-year program. 10,083 9-year basic elementary and fine middle program, and 10,198 elementary education only. Their number is disproportionately large compared to their share of the students due to the lesser classes in rural areas. Schools in areas where the school's capacity is insufficient to teach all students on a normal morning to the afternoon schedule. Authorities resort to the double shift schools where two streams of the students, morning shift and evening shift, share the same facility. There were 13,100 double shift and 75 triple shift school in 2007-2008 compared to the 19,001 and 23,235 in 2001 and 2002. Children are accepted to first year at the age of the 6 or 7 depending on the individual development of the each children. Until 1990, starting age was set at the 7 years and schooling listed 10 years for students who were planning to proceed to higher education in universities. Students who were planning to proceed to technical schools were doing so as a rule. After the 8th year, the switch from 10 to 11-year term was motivated by the continuous increasing load in the middle and senior years. In the 1960s, this resulted in a conversion of the 4th year from the elementary for middle to middle school. Decrease in the elementary schooling led to the greater disparity between the children entering middle schools. To compensate for the missing 4th year elementary schooling, which was extended with a 0 year for 6-year-old. This move remains a subject of controversy. Children of elementary classes are normally separated from the other classes within their own floor of school building. They are taught ideally by a single teacher through all 4 elementary years except for physical training and, if available, foreign languages. 98.5% of elementary school teachers are women. Their number decreased from 349,000 in 1999 to 317,000 2005. Starting from the 5th year, each academic subject is taught by the dictated subject teachers. 80.4% women in 2004 and increased from 75.4% in 1991. Pupil to teacher ratio 11.1 is on par with developed European countries. Teacher average monthly salaries in 2008 range from 6,200 rubles $200 US dollar in Mordivo in 2000 and 21,000 rubles to $700 US dollar in Moscow. The school year extends from September 1 to end of May and is divided into 4 terms. Study program is school is fixed. Unlike in the some Western countries, school children or the parents have no choice of study subject. Class load per student 638 hours a year for 9-year-old, 893 for 13-year-old, is lower than in Chile, Peru, and Thailand, and slightly lower than that in the most states of the United States. Although official hours are frequently appended with the additional classwork, students are graded on a 5-step scale ranging in a practice from the 2 unacceptable to 5 excellent. In One is a rarely used sign of extreme failure. Teacher regularly subdivided these grades. 4 plus 5 minus is daily use, but term and year results are graded strictly 2, 3, 4, 5.